Welcome. In today's guide, we'll walk you through the simple steps to add friends on Snapchat. Whether you're new to the app or just need a quick refresher, this updated method will have you connecting with friends in no time. Let's get started. First, open the Snapchat app on your device. You'll land on the camera screen, which is the default view when launching Snapchat. From here, tap on your profile icon located in the top left corner of the screen. This icon usually displays your Bitmoji, or a placeholder image if you haven't set one up yet. Once you've accessed your profile page, scroll down until you see the Add Friends section. Tap on it to proceed. This is where Snapchat gives you various options to find and add friends. Now, in the Add Friends section, you'll see a search bar at the top. Type in the name or username of the friend you want to add. As you start typing, Snapchat will display matching results based on your input. When you find your friend's profile in the search results, simply tap the Add button next to their name. Snapchat will send them a friend request, and once they accept it, you'll be connected and ready to start snapping. That's it. Adding friends on Snapchat is quick and easy. By following these steps, you can expand your network and stay connected with those who matter most. Thanks for tuning in. If this guide helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might need a hand navigating Snapchat. Happy snapping!